Most common request we get is assistance with how to build templates. In the beginning, we started this program. Our idea was that if you were going into a home and you were replacing a system of the 7 sizes of air conditioning and the probably 9 or 10 sizes of heaters, the application of the product was always the same. What would change would be the size. So the idea would be if you could create a template that could be used in any situation, that would save time in creating a proposal. So let's go through and let me show you how to create a template very quickly. So you're going to go to the Proposal tab and it says Create Proposal. There's going to be 4 ways to create a proposal. You can build from AHRI, you can choose an existing template, or start with a blank template. I'm going to start with a blank template. Once I have my blank template, I'm going to change it from customer to template. I'm going to title it 1.5 ton heat pump. Gibson is my last name. Today's date is 2/18. And I title it with a date so that I can at some point come back in and be able to search those. All I'm going to do is enter in my outdoor unit. And as I type my outdoor unit, my outdoor units will come up. Same here with the indoor unit. I'm going to type in an outdoor unit here. You'll notice I'm using a 2 ton for a 1.5 ton template, and that's because I don't have half sizes in my inverters. So once I've entered all my equipment, you'll notice that I've got now my descriptions, my brochures, and all is in here. I'm going to scroll down. If I need to add any parts, I can click Add Common Part. I can say KIT. That's going to be something I had preset in the system. And it'll have a kit here, so I'll just scroll down and find a heat pump kit. I click All and Add, and it will add it across the board. I can come in and add actions I'm going to do on the job. Anything we're going to do that's set in the defaults area. I'm going to scroll all the way down. I'm going to enter my labor in. So let's say I'm going to do 16 hours of labor because this system actually is set up for hourly labor. There's my margin. Any credits, rebates, and discounts that I may have on this job, and then any upgrades that I want to perform for the customer. I can activate them, and they will always be set for this customer. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to scroll to the bottom and click Save. And I'm at about 3 minutes on the video. That's with my instruction on telling you how to do it. So it took about 3 minutes for me to create the first template. So that was about 3 minutes. And now I'm going to take that template and I'm going to make another one. So I simply just click right here. This is the template I created. I'm going to scroll to the bottom, click Copy Selected. It's going to confirm that that's what I want to do, and I say yes. So now when I've created this template, you'll notice it has the word _copy at the bottom. I can edit here or edit here, either one. I'm going to edit this template. I'm going to get rid of the word _copy. I'm going to get rid of the numbers 1.5 and call it 2.0. And now all I simply have to do is come in and just change my outdoor unit to a 2.4 on my good model, my outdoor unit to a 2.4 on my budget model. And I may be able to leave these the same. I'll click my AHRI here with the plus, and we'll see if they load in, and they do. You always have to select the AHRI for them to appear on the proposal. We will not select them for you. Even if there may be a situation where there are multiple AHRI numbers, you still have to select ones. If there's just one, you still will have to select it. So you just scroll now to the bottom. All of the information that you had created in the system before with any kind of upgrades would have saved to the job. So all of our upgrades are saved. Um, and then I'm going to click save, and it saves that system to our new list of proposals. So I'm going to go back to my proposal list, and here it is right here. I'm going to select the system template, and I'm going to click copy selected. It asks me if I want to do that. I say yes. And here's the copy. I'm going to open it back up. I'm going to get rid of the word copy. I'm going to change this to 2.5. I'm going to scroll down and change this to a 36 because there is no 30 in an inverter. I'm going to change this to a 36. I'm going to change this to a 30. I'm going to change this to a 30. And I may be able to leave all these except for this one. Make this go to a 31. And then we'll see what our AHRI numbers look like. There we go. And then we'll click save at the bottom. And now our 3 ton is done, or 2.5 ton is done. So in about 7 minutes, I've created a 1.5, a 2, and a 2.5. And if I continue this pace, probably at about the 10-minute mark, I would have created all of the sizes for the 1.5 through 5 ton for the heat pumps for this particular brand. So hopefully this helps you out with creating of templates. If you still have questions, you're always welcome to call our office at 904-260-2622.